Finally, I was able to edit the video of the home renovation project that I was able to accomplish last June. It took a while for me to upload this because I had to rest after the 4-month renovation. Yes, it took 4 months because it was really hard to accomplish and procure anything during the GCQ. So, finally, ito na siya. This is the fruit of my labor and hard work. And at last, one item in my bucket list that I'm finally able to take off. So, here's the simple tour. So I hope this video inspires anyone out there who's watching who's also dreaming of doing a home renovation project. It doesn't have to be expensive or stressful. You just need to know what you need versus what you want and find the right contractor that you can trust. You can definitely accomplish your dream home. Keep believing, keep dreaming, because when you believe, you're already halfway there. Thank you for watching!